Brie, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the 10th and final look in my 10 looks using one palette series. In this series I highlighted the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I really like this palette. This actually is my only Urban Decay palette. I don't own any other eyeshadow palettes from Urban Decay. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I am doing the final look in this series. This is look number 10. I'm excited. I'm surprised. I feel like this series went by super quick. I don't know if I just like focused more on it and just did it, but I'm excited. I don't even know what to do for my last look. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. First, picking up this Morphe R37, I'm going to take Still Shot, and I am going to build that up quite a bit above the crease. Take this little Luxie 131 mini angled brush and pick up Hell Ride just very lightly. I'm just trying to deepen the crease. So I'm just going to lightly put that in the crease and blend it out. Next, I'm going to take that concealer and I'm going to go ahead and do a half cut crease, and I'm going to go over the top of that concealer with Big Sky, and I am going to spray that with a setting spray. I was gonna go for a little more color, but I love the way that this pink looks with that white. So now I'm gonna take that Luxie brush that I used to pick up Hell Ride, place Hell Ride on the outer corner and just blend that over. This eye look went a totally different way than I had anticipated. I'm going to take a small blending brush. This is a Morphe M506, and I'm going to take Still Shot on that and lightly blend that in the center where the white meets that darker pink to get a nice gradient. I'm just going to add winged liner and lashes, and then I'm going to go finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to finish up the eyes. I actually think that I want to make this liner smoky. I haven't done this, I don't think, ever. I'm actually going to take an angled brush and see if that works a little bit better. Okay guys, so I just finished up my face makeup, so I'm going to finish up the eye look. I'm just going to take a flat definer brush. This is the Morphe M432, and pick up Hell Ride. Push that right next to the waterline. Then taking this Curie Cosmetics shading brush, I'm going to take Still Shot and smoke out the lower lash line. This eyelash on the inner corner would not stick, so ignore that. Then I'm going to use the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude and put that on my waterline. Then picking up Breakaway on this Morphe M213 and placing that on the inner corner and under the arch of my brow. I have hooded eyes, so winged liner is such a pain for me. It always turns out horrible, so that's why I never show you guys, because it sucks. Then I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is look number 10 in my 10 looks using one palette series. If you guys have any suggestions for the next palette that you would like to see highlighted in a 10 looks using one palette series, go ahead and leave that in a comment down below so I can check it out. I kind of want to go for the James Charles palette, but if you guys want to see something different, definitely let me know. Also, let me know which look was your favorite out of this series. My smoky, my smudged out wing liner didn't really work. Maybe if I would have used a cream liner instead of a like felt tip pen thing, maybe it would have worked a little bit better, but I think it looks fine. I really like the eye look. It's kind of simple and neutral, just ignore the liner altogether. I suck at it. I think I will always suck at it. I don't think I'll ever be good at it, so ignore that. But I really like the eye look. I love the colors. It was simple. Honestly, I only used 3 eyeshadow colors to create this whole look. Well, 4 if you're counting the highlight. No? Yeah, I only used 3 eyeshadows to create this look. You could really use any colors that are cohesive and do this type of look with it. I think it'll be really simple. I do have a little patch right here that wouldn't blend out. I think that just might be where the concealer was, and so it grabbed and hung on to it. I try not to bring the concealer all the way out for that exact reason, but sometimes it happens. What can you do? So some of my final thoughts on this palette. The best way I found to use these eyeshadows is to build and blend. Build them up, blend them out. They are very soft. They don't go onto your eye like an intense pigment. They're not really hard to blend out. They're super easy. They're a little bit lighter on the color, but I think it's really good for beginners or people that aren't very comfortable with eyeshadows, because you don't go in and accidentally ruin your look and not be able to blend it out because it's too pigmented. It is a lighter pigmentation that is very buildable, and I feel like that just makes these shadows very easy to work with, very user friendly and very beginner friendly. So I really like them. Like I said, I've never used any other Urban Decay palette, so I have nothing to compare this palette to as opposed to their other palettes, but I think this palette is beautiful. I love the color selection. I love that it has a ton of neutrals, a ton of everyday shades, and some pops of color, and some really pretty pops of color. Yeah, I really, really like this palette. You can see I dropped brushes. I dropped a brush here, and then it bounced over and hit this shadow as well, so that was really fun. But I really, really, really love this palette. I just think that it would work for a lot of people. I think that between the neutral shades and the little bits of pops of color, I think that it is a palette that could work for a lot of different people. So the biggest thing was just building and blending, and other than that, the shimmers were beautiful. The mattes blended like butter. They were amazing. So I really, really, really like this palette. I did film a random roundup on this face makeup, so if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.